Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball FighterZ game on your device. And once you are inside the lobby, if you wish to change your control settings, just press the start button. You can now go into options, and now you will see the button settings as well as the button mapping option. If you wish to change your controller buttons, you can go into the button settings option. And now, just go into each of the controls and press the button that you wish to change. Once you have made your changes, just go back by pressing the start button and your changes will be saved. In order to change your keyboard mapping, go into the button mapping options. Now go into keyboard settings, and once again you will see the various different controls within your keyboard. Just go into each of the controls and press enter in order to press the new button to assign right away. And by following this step, you can reassign all of your controls within the game. Once you are done, make sure to go into Save Settings and press Enter. And now you can start enjoying your game with your customized controls right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.